On the third day of Manipur Legislative Assembly session, issues ranging from internally displaced persons to law and order and situation in border areas were brought up for discussion today. Opposition MLA K. Ranjit raised the issue of non-declaration of result for multitasking staff's recruitment. The MLA maintained that the interview for the recruitment was held in 2016 but was cancelled in 2017, and later in 2019, the interview for recruitment of 413 multitasking staffs was held again. However, candidates are yet to get the result. The MLA also reminded that Chief Minister Nongthaman Bireen in an interview on SKTV News had given assurance to declare the results for MTS recruitment after the Lok Sabha election. Replying to query, Education Minister Thaunawjam Basantakumar said government will try to declare the result for the recruitment exam after the completion of the ongoing assembly session.